Hey, we're just getting ready to flatten this ceiling. It's already been sanded. It was a popcorn ceiling, and now we've covered all the floor. We got our tools ready. We're making some repairs where the ceiling was cracked in some places. You can see we're sinking some new screws in. This job's gonna be awesome. It's gonna look like a brand new ceiling when we're done. We've even got some floor paper going on down the staircase, this specialty plastic stuff, which is awesome. And here we got lights coming out of the hallway, and kitchen taped off and plastered off, ready for painting and mud fly. Cheers. Here. There we're looking at a couple screw pops. When I drive the new screws in, it pops the old screws out because they're loose. Hey, we're looking at this nice brand new ceiling. Used to be a popcorn ceiling, but now it's all brand new. Flawless, gorgeous, right out of the factory. And it goes down the hallway, and the floor is all in nice shape, and we're just finishing our final cleanup. And we're out of here. Things look awesome.